Upbeat music, aerial shots of cityscapes, mountains, and futuristic tech. What if your next adventure didn't need roads? What if your daily ride could climb stairs, fly through the air, or even dive beneath the ocean? Welcome to Tech That Moves You, the ultimate showcase of next-gen mobility, gear, and gadgets that will change the way you ride, explore, and live. Buckle up, because the future is already here. Segment 1. The Ultimate Adventure e-Bike. This rugged beast is built for adventure. For just $2,400, you get raw power, a 750-watt motor pushing out a monstrous 175 newton meters of torque. That means smooth acceleration, effortless climbs, and silent speed. With a removable 936 watt-hour battery, you'll conquer up to 88 miles on a single charge. And with a full cast aluminum frame weighing just 92.5 pounds, it carries up to 352 pounds, you and all your gear, dual suspension, 80 millimeter front, 70 millimeter rear, 26-inch Kenda all-terrain tires, and Tektro dual-piston hydraulic brakes make this the perfect hybrid of mountain muscle and commuter comfort. Forest trails, desert dunes, city streets. This isn't just an e-bike, it's a freedom machine. Segment 2, a folding car from the future, Hero City Car. What if your car could shrink to half its size and park in a closet? Meet the Hero City Car, a foldable futuristic EV born from MIT genius and developed in Spain. With 4 in-wheel electric motors, this compact marvel hits 50 kilometers per hour and travels up to 120 kilometers per charge. It's a brilliant solution to congested cities. Fold it from 2.5 meters to 1.5 in seconds. Fit 3 of them in a single parking spot. Only one full prototype was ever built due to funding shortfalls. But the dream is alive. The Hero is a glimpse into the micromobility future. Segment 3, Erratic Snow Scoot. Ride the snow like never before. Ever wished snowboarding had a steering wheel? Introducing the Erratic Snow Scoot, the ultimate hybrid of snowboard fun and bike control, handlebar steering, foot platforms instead of bindings, and a lightweight, durable frame built for slopes of all kinds. For beginners or pros, this is winter reimagined. Riders carving fresh powder, mid-air tricks. It's time to ride snow like never before. Segment 4, eBike GT20, Urban Meets Trail. Your new city-to-trail explorer, the GT20 e-bike. With a 500-watt motor, 80-kilometer range, and speeds up to 45 kilometers per hour, this tough aluminum-framed e-bike is equally at home on city streets or rocky paths. A Shimano 7-speed transmission, suspension fork, disc brakes, and ergonomic design means smooth rides wherever you go. From commutes to countryside escapes, the GT20 is your go-anywhere ride. Segment 5, MedT Drone Delivery Station. What if your packages could fly to your door? Say hello to MedT Station, the launch pad for 24/7 drone delivery. It's part of a smart city future where M2 drones take off and land autonomously, safely delivering packages around the clock. No driver, no delays, just fast, secure, airborne logistics, even in crowded cities. Segment 6, AirPod Smart Napping Pods. Imagine turning a brutal layover into a blissful nap. The AirPod makes airport travel feel like a spa. With reclining beds, Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and mood lighting, these sleek pods give travelers privacy and comfort on demand. Control everything from your phone: temperature, scent, and even lighting. First launched in Slovenia, now landing in airports worldwide. Layovers will never be the same. Segment 7, Sunflower Home. Bring sunlight anywhere. Dark corners? Not anymore. The Sunflower Home Heliostat redirects real sunlight into your room, garage, or garden. Up to 50,000 lumens of natural light. No Wi-Fi, no wiring, just smart solar magic. Perfect for plants, winter warmth, or just a better mood. It's the sun, on demand, for $399. Segment 8, Audi EMTB, Race car power on trails. Audi doesn't just make cars. They make monsters on two wheels. Meet the Audi EMTB, a $9,795 electric mountain bike built with Italian bike maker Fantic. It's got a Bros S-Mag motor, 90 Newton meters of torque, and a staggered wheel setup for elite trail handling. The 720 watt-hour battery gives you up to 90 miles of range. Inspired by Audi's RSQ e-tron rally car, this is luxury meets wilderness. Segment 9, Platypus Craft Submarine. Boat plus sub in one. Want to glide above and below the ocean? The Platypus Craft Submarine cruises like a boat and then dips underwater for a semi-submersible marine experience. Explore the reef without diving gear. Stay dry, stay safe, stay amazed. This is next-gen ecotourism on water.